Tired of waiting days for support tickets to get answered? For high risk businesses, slow responses can mean lost revenue. Here is a simple test. Look at the support options. Is it just chatbots, generic help articles, or ticket requests? If you can't reach a real person quickly, that is a red flag, especially if you are in a high risk industry where issues can escalate fast. Most payment processors run support through call centers or ticket queues, which means you are stuck waiting when you need answers right away. That doesn't work if your funds are on hold or a decline issue is stopping sales. With EasyPay Direct, you get a single point of contact who knows your business and can step in immediately when problems arise. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check them out. They also offer transaction routing, which gives you even more control if one bank slows down. If you want direct, reliable support instead of waiting in line at a call center, EasyPay Direct is built for you. The link to get started is right there in the description.